you all. Welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time visiting this page, don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video and also subscribe. Okay, all right guys, so I'm back again with another prediction on lunchtime and tea time, guys. Lunchtime and tea time. Okay, so guys, yesterday, if you follow simple instruction, at least you will get this number. Okay, here is the numbers: 32, okay, 39 on lunch. Okay, here is the number 32 and 39 on lunch. And when it comes to the numbers that I showed you guys, that the current result will bring, the numbers this current result brings yesterday, you can see that we have 2 there. Okay, we have 2 there. We have 22 there. We have 22 there. We also have this number here. Okay, and we also have 4. Okay, from the numbers these particular numbers will bring. All right, so congratulations if you followed along yesterday. All right, so one thing with lottery is that numbers don't speak. They will not tell you when they are coming. Okay, it's either you take the risk or you leave it. Okay, so that is it. And when you are betting on lottery, you must understand that this is lottery. It's not a guarantee way to raise money or make fast money. Okay, so just play it with fun. All right guys, so that is it. So let's do our lunchtime and tea time. So before we get right into the video, I just want to say, look at this point here. You can see here where they splitted these numbers right here. These numbers may also come together today, which is 15 and also 16. Okay, mostly 16 because you guys can see we have 35 here. We also have 35 there. Okay, which that 2 number will call 16. Okay, that 2 number will bring 16. And right now you can also see that we have 40 here. Okay, we'll have 40 here, right? And we'll have 4 here, which that number is consecutive number. They may decide to split again. Okay, so you can see that these 2 numbers, 40 and 4, now will also bring this 15, and 35 will bring 16. Okay, so just write these numbers down, and from here, right here, you can also see that that number there, they may decide to split because those numbers are consecutive numbers. All right, they may decide to split, or okay, or they will come together to be 45. All right, so there's a whole lot of things you look at here when you are picking your numbers. For instance, right here, you can see that we also have 35 here. We also have 36 there. You can see it there yourself. These 2 numbers can also move forward, right? These 2 numbers can also make a return. You can see it there. Those 2 numbers are consecutive numbers. So there's a whole lot of things you can look at before you pick your numbers. All right, so that is it. That is the first thing I just want to show you guys. Okay, so if you haven't joined my WhatsApp group, you can also join my WhatsApp group. And for some of you who has question, but is this guy winning? Look at it on the screen right now. I'm doing exactly the things I'm showing you. Okay, this is exactly, I do exactly what I'm showing you. Okay, for me it's a bit different because I may understand a bit about lottery, okay, and the strategy I'm using. It may not be the same with you. Okay, so I understand that there is something they call delay of numbers, and my numbers will not delay up to 3 days. So what I normally do sometimes is that if my number fails, like on launch, I will martingale that numbers on tea time by going like doubling the bet to get, because of the UK odd, you can imagine 1 rand to pay 52 rand. So because of the odd martingale strategy, I use it on UK 49 to even get the previous money that I have lost. I will get it back because I know that my number will not delay up to 3 days. Okay, it will not even pass up to 2 days. My numbers, if I pay numbers, it will not pass up to 2 days. Those numbers will keep on dropping. All right, so I understand that is a strategy I have crafted for myself for a very long time. So I've been using it, and that is how I survive, right? So for you, it might be a little bit different because you may not have that capital, okay? Because lottery is something that you need to program yourself and know how much you are willing to lose, okay? And know, so you have to program yourself. You have to treat it as a business. If you know it, you need capital to do it, right? So my own this thing will be a little bit different, the way I see lottery than the way you see lottery, because I'm not playing lottery just to make a killing right now, because if I do it to make a killing right now, you will end up them doing the same thing to you. So that is it, guys. So join my WhatsApp group if you are interested. You can see the numbers on the screen right now. Use it to join the WhatsApp group. Okay, so there will do the job for you. I will pay the numbers and I will give you the numbers, right? So if you are ready, you can join my WhatsApp group. All right. Okay, so only 200 rand per month. Only 200 rand per month. Okay, so you just try. All right, so that is it there. Okay, guys, so for the numbers that I'm thinking that will be showing up today, the numbers I think that will showing up today will be these numbers. Okay, so I'm looking at 37. Okay, I'm looking at 37. I'm looking at 12. Okay, I'm looking at 45. Okay, I'm looking at 45. I'm looking at 17. Okay, I'm looking at 33. Okay, I'm looking at 21. Okay, I'm looking at 7. Okay, I'm looking at 24. Okay, I'm looking at 19. Okay, and I'm looking at 16. Okay, I'm looking at 16. These numbers are the numbers that I think that will be showing up today. Okay, and why did I choose these numbers? Now, why I choose these numbers is because if you look here, you see that we have 36, right? We have 36, and we have 1 here, we have 1 here. All right, so, and we also have 36 here. Can you see that we also have 1 here? So 37 has been missing from the numbers this number will bring. Okay, all right, so 37 is, we're expecting it to come up. All right, because these two numbers has been bringing each other, so they are leaving 37 behind. So they can also give chance for 37 to also appear. Okay, so that is why I choose that number there. So when it comes to why did you choose 12, right? So when you look right here, you see that we have 48 there, and when you go down, you also see another 48. And right now, if you look here, you can also see that we have 32 as the bonus, which showed up yesterday. So this number will bring 12. Okay, those two numbers, 48 and will bring 12. So that is why I choose 40. That is why I choose 12. All right. So when it comes to this number right here, when it comes to that number right here, which is 45, right? 45, if you look closely, you see that we have 9. We also have 9 here, right? We have 9 there. So when you come up right here, you will not see 45 and 17. Okay, these two numbers, 9 will call these two numbers 45 and 17. That is why I choose those two numbers, right? So sometimes UK will just delay those numbers to take punters' mind away from it, and after that they will drop those numbers, right? So now, why did you choose 33? Okay, I choose 33 because when you look here, you see that we'll have 6, right? We'll have 60 there. Okay, so let's look. I think 42 drop somewhere. So I think 42 drop, or is it down? Okay, look at here. We'll have 42, which 42 drop here. So if you look at all these results here, you will see that we don't have a 33, which these two numbers will call 33, but we don't have 33. And in the other hand, 33 is sitting on the code ball, but that does not mean that this number will not show up because this number has been called. All right, so if they fail to release 33, maybe they will decide to bring 42 back to the current result, and maybe they will now release 33 tea time. Okay, so that is it. All right, and so why did you choose 21? Okay, I choose 21 because we have 24. Okay, we have 24, and that 24 is refusing to bring 21, because 24 will bring 21. Now 24 is refusing to bring 21, so now is delay. You don't know what is their own plan, so that is why I also choose 24 here, because it's either 21 or they will release 24 back. So this is just the trick there. All right, so now why did you choose 19? All right, I choose 19 because we have 5 there, and we have 41, which dropped twice yesterday. We have 5 and we have 41, which dropped yesterday, and 41 and 5 also dropped down here. So these two numbers, 41 and 5, drop twice, right? So currently right now we should be expecting 19, and 35 that dropped twice yesterday will also trigger that number to drop. That is why I picked 19. Okay, so now why did you choose 16? Okay, I choose 16 because directly 35 will call that 16, and based on this scenario that happened here where they splitted 15, 6 and this thing, so that is why I'm choosing 16. So now you know why I choose those numbers. Okay, so that is it. So all you need to do, for me, I don't like doing guessing which of the numbers will come, because I don't know if they're gonna choose the number that will be coming from 26, or they will be choosing the number that is coming from 4. So I don't know. So all I do is just to pair these numbers together. If it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, then I'll try it in the next draw. So that is how I do it. Okay, so that is exactly what I showed you guys right now. So you can also join my WhatsApp group where I will be doing the job for you guys. Okay, all right guys, so that is it for today, and here will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.